Jai Hind all of you. Today's our new topic is tournaments. There are three types of tournaments: knockout tournament, league or round robin tournament, and combination tournament. First, today we discussed about tournaments. Competing in physical activities has been the natural tendency of human beings since the beginning of the Stone Age. In that time, there is no rule. In that time, that competitions has there is no rules and regulations. Whereas now the competitions or tournaments are held according to set of rules and regulations. The tournaments are organized at various levels, such as zonal, district, state, national, and international levels. Olympic Games and World Cups are organized in a splendid and magnificent way. These sports competitions or tournaments provide recreation to the spectators, which helps them in reducing stress and tension of their day-to-day life. The tournaments are helpful in the holistic development of participants. Then what do you mean by tournaments? Tournaments is that series of sports in which one team finally wins and rest of the teams lose their matches. These are about tournament. Then what are the importance of tournaments? Tournaments are very important in the field of sports. Players participate in tournaments with a great zeal and zest. The tournaments are significant not only to the players but to the coaches and physical education teachers also. The importance of tournaments are development of sports skills, propaganda of sports, helpful in the selection of players, development of national and international integration, development of social qualities, and a source of recreation. In that, first one is development of sports skills. That means by participating in tournaments, sportsmen develop various skills of sports. The maximum number of participation in tournaments not only develops technical skills of the sports but also tactical skills. Sports persons acquire efficiency in the skill and finally they show marked improvement in the game. Second point is propaganda of sports, which means tournaments are helpful in publicizing the sports. When a tournament of a new sport or game is organized, the spectators come to know about that sport. Thus, it creates interest in that particular sport. Okay, clear to you? Third one is helpful in selection of players. In a tournament, good players can be selected easily by observing their performance in the tournament. The players who give good performance can be selected for upper level tournaments or competitions. So, a tournament is an appropriate way to select a good team of players. And fourth point is development of national and international integration. Sports tournaments are helpful in developing national integration as well as international unity and brotherhood. A tournament is one of the best means of enhancing international peace also. Okay. Fifth point is development of social qualities. Social qualities or traits such as tolerance, sympathy, cooperation, brotherhood, discipline, etc. are developed among participants through sports tournaments. Other qualities or values such as fair play, justice, honesty, respect for others are also developed through sports tournaments. These are the advantages of development of social qualities. Then last point is source of recreation. Sports tournaments provide ample recreation to the spectators. To maximize recreation, organizers do not hesitate to make a large expenditures. That is why a large number of people go to watch the Olympic Games and World Cup of various games and sports. So, a tournament is a good source of recreation. These are about importance of tournaments. Next topic is types of tournaments. There are 4 types of tournaments which are mentioned below: knockout tournament, league or round robin tournament, combination tournament and challenge tournament. First one is knockout tournament. Knockout tournament also known as elimination tournament. Most of the tournaments are organized on the basis of knockout. In this type of tournament, a team which is once defeated automatically gets eliminated from the tournament. Only the winning teams continue in the tournament. It means that the defeated teams does not get a second opportunity. Opportunities are given to the winning teams or players. Knockout tournament or elimination tournament means in a tournament, a team which is once defeated automatically gets eliminated from the tournament. Then, knockout tournament has advantages and disadvantages. Some of the advantages of knockout tournaments are: the knockout tournaments are less expensive because the team that gets defeated is eliminated from the competition. That means in the first round itself, half of the teams may gets out from the tournament. Then second point is the knockout tournament is helpful in enhancing the standard of sports, which means each team tries to give the best performance to avoid defeat. Next, owing to less number of matches, the tournament gets completed in less time. Within shortest time, it will completed. Okay. Then minimum number of officials are required in organizing such type of tournaments. These are the advantages of the knockout tournament. Whereas disadvantages of knockout tournaments are: there are maybe many chance of elimination of good teams in the first or second round. So good teams may not reach the final round. Automatically that tournament not interest to watch at final section at 2. There are more chance of weak teams to enter the final round. Same mistake. Sometime good teams may eliminated from their first round itself, whereas some of the weakest team also comes into final round by likely or unlikely, or there is a chances to comes into final round itself. Then so that spectators may lose their interest in the final match if weak teams reach in the final round. These are the disadvantages of knockout tournaments. Then second tournament, league tournament, or this also known as round robin tournament. League tournament is also called round robin tournament. Mr. Berger was the first person to imagine the league tournament, and owing to that, this tournament is also called Berger system. League tournament or round robin tournament also known as Berger system. Then what do you mean by league tournament or round robin tournament or Berger system? Which means each team plays with every other teams. Each team plays with every other teams, known as league tournament. League tournament, there are 2 types: single league tournament and double league tournament. Single league tournament means each team plays with every other team once, and the number of matches determined with the help of the formula is n into n minus 1 by 2. N denotes number of teams. Single league tournament means in a tournament every team plays with every other teams once. That is single league tournament. Formula n into n minus 1 by 2. Then Second type is double league tournament. In the double league tournament, every team plays with other team's choice. The number of matches is determined with the help of the formula n into n minus 1. N denotes number of number of teams. Double league tournament means every team plays with other team's choice. Then here also some of the advantages and disadvantages. Advantages are only strong or deserving team gets victory in the tournament. Every team gets maximum opportunities to show their efficiency or performance. Sports and games can be made more popular through league tournament owing to maximum number of matches. In such type of tournament, the sports officials do not face any difficulty while selecting and determining the appropriate players or team. They have enough time to watch the efficiency and performance of the player. Then, a team need not wait to win against the other team for playing a match. Another one, ample number of opportunities are available to the players to improve their performance. The spectators also get good opportunity to watch the game for many days. These are the advantages of league tournament. Then disadvantages of the league tournaments are it requires more time, it costs more, the teams coming from far and wide generally face more problems because such tournaments waste their time and money. Then it requires making more arrangements for sports officials and teams. Morale of most of the teams becomes low due to their defeat again and again. In such situations, these teams are unable to show good performance. That is why the spectators also devoid the wholesome recreation. These are the advantages of the league tournament.